Welcome to Q&A, Social Security Disability Today. This program is brought to you by the Reeves Law Firm, representing you and your Social Security and disability needs. If you have a problem or questions regarding Social Security and disability, call attorney Anthony Reeves. Here's your host, attorney Anthony Reeves.
What should I do? What should I do if I am not happy with my representative? I get this a lot because a lot of times people will send me chat messages or call me or emails telling me, Attorney Reeves, A, B, C, D, E. Oh yeah, and I have a representative. And I can't tell you what every state is like. Like in Florida, you're allowed the opportunity to get a second opinion, a second legal opinion on your case from a consultative standpoint. You can do that. But most times when I have people who are like that, they're coming to me because they're upset because their representative is not telling them anything. They're only talking to an administrative staff, or they haven't heard anything in a long time, and they're just frustrated. Let me tell you, this is the speech that I give to almost everybody who comes to me. Plain and simple. Get ready. All right. So you're contacting me because you're upset because your representative has not been giving you the information that you need. Have you spoken to them? Usually when I say this, they tell me I've tried to reach out, but they won't call me back. Or I've tried to get in contact with them, but nobody will cooperate. Here's what you do. First, contact your rep's office and schedule an appointment to come in to meet with your representative. It can be via the phone or it can be in person. If you're there local, do it in person. If you're there long distance or you have problems traveling, do it over the phone. Schedule an appointment. A lot of times they'll set you up for that time. This way you can designate a particular point of time that you're going to actually speak with your representative. Secondly, when you meet with your representative, don't go in there talking about I feel, I think, and in my mind. No. What is it specifically you have a problem with? Like when people come and they say, I feel like you ain't no work being done on my case. Are you sitting in the office every day? Well, no. What do you need to see to let you know work is being done in your case? Well, see, and that's what happens. What happens is people mistake lack of communication in terms of, let me rephrase, not lack, lapses, meaning periods of time when they don't hear from their representative as an indication that the representative is not doing anything. And that is not the case. So what you want to say is be specific. I'm concerned because I have not heard anything about what's going on in my case. And I just want to know what's up. Just that simple. Or maybe you're upset because a particular staff member is rude. Or maybe you're getting upset because you contacted your providers and maybe they've said that they haven't gotten any requests for records from your attorney. You just want to know what's going on. Sit down, have that conversation. Find out what's going on with your representative and what's being done with your case. And if everything fails, then start looking for someone else. Okay? The reason why I always tell people to see about working it out with your representative is because your representative, 9 times out of 10, is intimately familiar with your case and has already done a lot of work on your case already. So why would you kick into the curb just because you haven't heard anything? Give them the benefit of the doubt. You may be surprised at what work they've actually done on your case. Now, I'm not going to lie. Every representative is a little different in terms of how they operate and so forth. And yes, maybe in some instances, they should definitely be responsible for providing you more information. By all means, I don't doubt that at all. But I'm saying this, before you start going buck wild and rolling jokers out into the street and riding over them with a bus and going to find someone else, ask yourself this. What is it that you want to know? Ask. Get the answers to your questions first. If they meet your satisfaction, you keep on rolling. But if not, and you need to move on to someone else, at least you know you've made every effort to work with your representative. Because remember, at the end of the day, it is not their case. It is your case. You hired them to work for you. So if they're working for you, take the opportunity to find out what they're doing. before you let them go.